Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing Minute, and today we would be unboxing Bose SOUNDLINK Mini 2, and this is the box, and it was ordered from Amazon, and it costed me around rupees 12,960 rupees, and after sale, because it has been discontinued by Bose, and usually it would cost you around 16,200. And this is one of the box after you open. And this is the machine or the speaker. Comes in a nice packing. Let's take it out. It's kind of heavy, has a weight to it. Metal looks quite good, and finishing is kind of the best. Now let's take out this blue box. Let's see what's inside it. I think this is the charging port. Charging cable. Let's take it out. And this would be some owner's manual and some other things with it. And this is how you have to register your product on the Bose website. And this is a card that's specifying that the warranty is not available in Australia and New Zealand. Bose written on the card. Now let's move on to other boxes that we have got. The black one. First let's open this charging bar. Looks like a good quality plastic. And these were the contents that I opened and I got out from the black box. These are different types of chargers and one charging port. Now let's set this up. I'm using a 3-pin charger, better for me. This is the charging cable. Let's install it and crank up the speaker. It's kind of a charger that you get in BlackBerry. Typically BlackBerry. One side is a USB and another side is of Android. We would insert this over here. Then we would put the Bose speaker on top of it, making sure that it fits perfectly. Now we would be charging this. Comparing this to other speakers such as Sony, it has a better sound quality, much better sound quality, and much more life after charging. And I think it has after charging it has a life of 10 hours, battery life of up to 10 hours, which is quite good, whereas in case of Sony you only get battery life of 2 or 3 hours. And I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.